Nobody expects you to know what the sum of the interior angles are of an 8-sided polygon, or a 12-sided polygon, or a 23-sided polygon. But we do expect you to be able to figure it out based on what you know about triangles. Now you can divide any polygon into triangles the way I've shown in this picture right here. I've adjusted this problem so it wants an 8-sided polygon. That's just so I can match the picture and talk about it. And if I ask how many triangles I divide this octagon into, you can count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles at minimum needed to divide up this octagon. So my answer to that part is 6. The sum of interior angles of each triangle, this is a fixed number. This is always going to be 180 degrees. The angles inside a triangle always add up to that. And now here comes the punchline. If we want to know how many degrees there are in the interior angles of the 9-sided, or the 8-sided polygon in this picture, all we have to do is add up the number of degrees in all the triangles. And I'll show you why that works. I'm going to use this blue line to show you some interior angles. There's one, there's one, there's one. That's triangle number 1. Triangle 2, there's one, there's one, there's one. Triangle 3, we got this, this, and this. Triangle 4 is over here. Triangle 5 right here. And triangle 6 right there. Now with green, I'm going to show you the effect of adding these angles together. Look at all these angles right here. They all add up to be this single angle right there. Let's use some thicker ink so we really capture this. Okay, so these little teeny blue angles all add up to the big fat green one. Then I've got this angle right here. These 2 angles add up to this fat green one. These 2 add up to that one. And likewise, all the way around. And when I'm done adding all the interior angles of the triangles, I realize what's happened is I just added up the interior angles of the octagon. So to figure this thing out, all I have to do is the following. I take the number of triangles, which is 6, times the degrees of each one, which is 180. And that's going to equal something big. 6 times 180, 1,080 degrees. Okay, that's the sum of interior angles of an 8-sided polygon. So you can do this trick for a 10-sided polygon or a 20-sided polygon or whatever.